Hello my friends. In this video I want to speak about adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing the two numbers. Okay, let's go. For start we have to open our software and create new project. Okay, and I use a normal open contact M1000 and use this command. I have to type add, okay, D0 to D2 and D4, then click OK. Okay, this command is for adding two numbers. First number is in D0 and second number is in D2, and equals of adding these numbers is in D4. Okay, and then for subtracting we have to use this command, and for multiplying we use this mul D0 D2 D8, and for dividing we have to use this D10 for equals of dividing these two numbers. We are going to simulate this program and run this. Okay, for enter the numbers to D0 or D2, we have to click on this command and then right click and click on change present value. Okay, you can enter numbers between these two numbers that appear here. Okay, we have to write K, for example 10. Okay, you can see this number is in D0, and for D2, for example, I enter 5. Okay, and you can see when 10 add to 5 equal 15, and when 10 minus 5 equal 5, and 10 multiplied 5 equal 15, and 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Okay, guys. You saw that how can we did this with WPLSoft. Thank you for watching and good luck.